Okay, so I'm going to try to just read all of Article 5B, Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, because I just don't feel it's as important as some of the other articles that I must get to, like PINS, which is Article 7, and permanency termination of parental rights, adoption, guardianship. That stuff is, I feel, is a lot more important than this. So I'm just going to read through this article. Okay. Part 1, General Provisions, 580-101, short title. This article may be cited as the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, or UIFSA. 580-102, definitions. In this article, child means an individual, whether over or under the age of majority, who is or is alleged to be owed a duty of support by the individual's parent, or who is or is alleged to be the beneficiary of a support order directed to the parent. 2. Child support order means a support order for a child, including a child who has attained the age of majority under the law of the issuing state or foreign country. 3. Convention means the Convention on the International Recovery of Child Support or other forms of family maintenance, concluded at the, I don't even know what the hell that is, Hague, I don't know what that means, Hague, on November 23rd, 2007. 4. Duty of support means an obligation imposed or imposable by law to provide support for a child, spouse, or former spouse, including an unsatisfied obligation to provide support. 5. Foreign country means a country including a political subdivision thereof other than the United States that authorizes the issuance of support orders, and 1. Which has been declared under the law of the United States to be a foreign reciprocating country. 2. Which has established a reciprocal arrangement for child support with this state as provided in Section 580-308 of this article. 3. Which has enacted a law or established procedures for the issuance and enforcement of support orders which are substantially similar to the procedures under this article. Or 4. In which the convention is enforced with respect to the United States. 6. Foreign support order means a support order for a foreign tribunal. 7. Foreign tribunal means a court, administrative agency, or quasi-judicial entity of a foreign country which is authorized to establish, enforce, or modify support orders or to determine parentage of a child. The term includes a competent authority under the convention. 8. Home state means the state or foreign country in which a child lived with a parent or a person acting as a parent for at least 6 consecutive months immediately preceding the time of filing a petition or comparable pleading for support, and if a child is less than 6 months old, the state or foreign the state the state or foreign country in which the child lived from birth with any of them. A period of temporary absence of any of them is counted as part of the 6-month or other period. 9. Income includes earnings or other periodic entitlements to money from any source and any other property subject to withholding for support as defined by Section 5241 of the Civil Practice Law and Rules. 10. Income withholding order means an order or other legal process directed to an obligor's employer, an income payer, as defined by Section 5241 and 5242 of the Civil Practice Law and Rules, or other debtor, to withhold support from the income of the obligor. 11. initiating tribunal means the tribunal of a state or foreign country from which a petition or comparable pleading is forwarded, or in which a petition or comparable pleading is filed for forwarding to another state or foreign country. 12. Issuing foreign country means the foreign country in which a tribunal issues a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child. Issuing state means the state in which a tribunal issues a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child. 14. Issuing tribunal means the tribunal of a state or foreign country that issues a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child. 15. Law includes decisional and statutory laws and rules and regulations having the force of law. 16. Obligee means an individual to whom a duty of support is or is alleged to be owed, or in whose favor a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child has been issued. 2. A foreign country, state, or political subdivision of a state to which the rights under a duty of support or support order have been assigned, or which has independent claims based on financial assistance provided to an individual. Obligee in place of child support. An individual seeking a judgment determining parentage of the individual child, or 4. A person that is a creditor in a proceeding under Part 7 of this article. 17. Obligor means an individual or the estate of a decedent that 1. Owes or is alleged to owe a duty of support, 2. Is alleged but has not been adjudicated to be a parent of a child, 3. Is liable under a support order, or 4. Is a debtor in a proceeding under Part 7 of this article. 18. Outside the state means a location in another state or country other than the United States, whether or not the country is a foreign country. 19. Person means an individual, corporation, business, trust, estate, trust, partnership, limited liability, company, association, joint venture, public corporation, governmental or governmental subdivisions, agency, or instrumentality, or any other legal commercial entity. 20. Record means information that is inscribed on a tangible medium, or that is stored in electronic or other medium and is retrievable in perceivable form. 21. Register means to file in a tribunal of the state a support order or judgment determining parentage of a child issued in another state or a foreign country. 22. Registering tribunal means a tribunal in which a support order or a judgment determining parentage of a child is registered. 23. Responding state means a state in which a petition or comparable pleading for support or to determine parentage of a child is filed, or to which a petition or comparable pleading is forwarded for filing from another state or a foreign country. 24. Responding tribunal means the authorized tribunal in a responding state or foreign country. 25. Spousal support order means a support order for a spouse or former spouse of the obligor. 26. State means a state of the United States, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, the United States, Virgin Islands, and any territory or insular possession under the jurisdiction of the United States. The term includes an Indian nation or tribe. 27. Support enforcement agency means a public official, governmental entity, or private agency authorized to 1. Seek enforcement of support orders or laws relating to the duty of support, 2. Seek establishment or modification of child support, 3. Request determination of parentage of a child, 4. Attempt to locate obligors or their assets, or 5. Request determination of the controlling child support order. 28. Support order means a judgment, decree, order, decision, or directive, whether temporary or final or subject to modification, issued in a state or foreign country for the benefit of a child, a spouse, or a former spouse, which provides reimbursement for financial assistance provided to an individual obligee in place of child support. The term may include related costs and fees, interest, income, withholding, automatic adjustment, reasonable attorney's fees, and other relief. 29. Tribunal means a court, administrative agency, or quasi-judicial entity authorized to establish, enforce, or modify support orders or to determine parentage of a child. And that is, I don't even know what it is anymore. Hot diggity dog. That was 580-101 short title and 580-102 definitions. Good luck.